Hello, I'm Ruby Rosas. If you're new to VAT or just simply want to refresh some key information, in this video I propose a short introduction to VAT with references to the EU regulations VAT is subject to and a general overview of this tax. VAT, the value added tax. This tax is charged and recovered upon specific criteria determined by the Council Directive 206/112/EC, known as well as the main VAT directive, which implementation is regulated by Council Implementing Regulation 282/2011. While its recoverability, besides the specific tax principle of neutrality, is determined by both Directive 208/99/EC and the 13th Directive, depending on the characteristics of the taxable person. Worldwide, this tax is applied to commercial transactions, and precisely this characteristic makes this tax an indirect tax. The tax rate. VAT tax rate varies depending not only on the jurisdiction the transaction takes place, but also depending on the intrinsic characteristics of the commercialized item. It is known in other countries like GST, for instance in Australia, or self-described as sales tax. EU VAT is still on its way to get harmonized. In fact, the latest changes, such as quick fix for change transactions and the e-commerce package recently enforced 2 years ago, aimed at simplifying the EU VAT world, but tackling tax erosion and promoting trade require continuous improvement. The titles of the main VAT directive are 15 in total. They establish, for instance, who is a taxable person, what is the transaction that can be taxed, the place of taxation, the person liable to pay this tax, the terms to be compliant, the exemptions, and the conditions to obtain the refund of this tax. As well, the special schemes apply to specific businesses. We will address each of these points in the coming videos. However, as it happens in any legal field, to draw upon the European Court of Justice decisions to assess or foresee consequences of business behavior is recurrent. Hence, we will discuss the sentences considered as the cornerstones, the latest sentences, and also the most common categories ruled by the ECJ. This has been all for now. See you next week with a new video where we will discuss who is a taxable person under this directive and referring also to some ECJ cases. See you!